Hello everyone, I am Ayushi and I welcome you all to the official channel of Tech Masters, an initiative by the venture Ved Prep. Ved Prep is already constituting a top performing asset, Chem Academy. Those of you who are from background science or chemistry must be well aware that Chem Academy is the #1 institution for the preparation of the chemistry examinations that you come across. So now here, with this initiative Tech Masters, we are entering into the arena of educational examinations. Introducing you about Tech Masters. Tech Masters is a platform which will help you to provide content about the top prestigious educational examinations on both state and national level, which include UP TET, C TET, HP TET, REET, all the state TET examinations, the PGT examinations, the TGT examinations, the KVS exam, the NVS exam, and the most important that is coming across, DSSSB, the exam which is fresh, and the exam that people will be looking forward to crack is DSSSB. The forms are out and I would like you all to join the channel so that you can be benefited with it the most. So now, here the question is, what are we here to deliver you? Why is this platform created? This platform is created to provide you a active and dedicated content for the preparation of these examinations. And I assure you that if you be a part of this journey with us, you will be the one who will be benefited, who will surely crack these examinations. We, along with our most experienced, top-rated faculty and the best content possible, will be providing you the exposure to crack these exams. All you need to do is join us, stay connected with us, and follow all the regular updates that we provide you on this channel, and be a part of this family and be a part of this journey with us in the preparation of all these examinations. So now, here comes the most important question. What is the motivation behind this initiative? Whenever we start something, whenever we initiate something, there has to be a motivation for a thing to be successful. We are here because we have already created an impact in the field of science, in the field of chemistry. Those of you belonging to that background must be well aware that we have already created that impact through Chem Academy. But we are here to take that legacy ahead. We are here to enter into the arena of educational examinations through your very own Tech Masters, and I am sure with your love and support, we will surely reach that level. We will surely create that benchmark in the field of educational examinations as well. Also, we believe that teaching is the most noble profession, and we as an institution are totally capable of forging the top level educators that the country can have through this platform. So now here, I come up with the tagline, टीचर बनना है तो टेक मास्टर करके देगा ना। अगर आपको टीचर बनना है, अगर आपको ये गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स क्लियर करने हैं, तो उसका केवल एक सोल्यूशन है, वो है टेक मास्टर्स. ऑल्सो I will like to add a thing to it. I would like to address the situation that the country is going through, that all of you would be going through the COVID times, and the sector that is most affected is the education sector. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो कि कोचिंग नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, जो कि अपने घर पे हैं, गांव में हैं, उनको ये कंटेंट अब जो ज़रूरी है इस पेपर को क्लियर करने के लिए वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है. तो आपके लिए, आपकी उस परेशानी को दूर करने के लिए हमारे पास है ये टेक मास्टर, और हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमसे जुड़े, अपने आप को बेनिफिट करें और अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर करते हुए इन एग्ज़ाम्स को क्लियर करें. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू एंड द वीडियो, बट जस्ट द वीडियो. द जर्नी इज येट टू बिगिन and I would request all of you to be a part of this journey, embrace all of us. Also, I would like to update you all that we will soon be uploading the content for the DSSSB exam on the channel really soon. All you need to do is stay connected with us, follow all the regular updates, get yourself updated, and one thing that is most important, subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video with all your friends or all the people that you think can be benefited from this platform. Finally, I would request you all to put up all your queries or all your problems that you people might face, that you people might be facing during the preparation of these exams. We will be more than happy to help you, to assist you, to provide you a solution with to all these problems. And I'm sure that if you are connected with us, you will overcome all these problems and you will surely pass with flying colors in all these examinations. With that, I would like to end the video. I would like to thank you all for being a part of this journey, and I would be looking forward for your support. Thank you and have a nice day.